In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the background color in Replit. Whether you want a new look for your workspace or simply something more visually appealing, these easy steps will help you customize your Replit experience to better suit your preferences. To begin, you'll first need to head over to Replit's homepage. Open up your preferred web browser and go to Replit's website. Once there, if you're not already logged in, make sure to do so using your credentials to access all of your account settings. Now direct your attention to the upper right corner of the Replit interface. Here, you'll see your profile picture or icon. Click on it. This will bring down a drop-down menu that provides a range of options. From this list, look for the option labeled Themes and click on it. The Themes section is where all the magic happens for changing the aesthetic of your Replit environment. Once you're in the Themes section, you'll notice a variety of preset themes available for you to choose from. These options may include different color palettes and styles, offering a range from cool, muted tones to vibrant, eye-catching hues. Take your time to browse through these selections and find one that resonates with you and your work style. When you find a theme you like, simply click on it to apply it to your account. But what if the default themes aren't quite what you're looking for? Don't worry, there are additional options. If you have specific theme files you've downloaded or created, you can upload one by clicking on the Browse Theme option. Select the theme file from your device and Replit will apply your customized theme to your workspace. This is a fantastic way to personalize Replit even further by reflecting your individual style or the branding of your projects. For those feeling creative, Replit offers you the opportunity to create your own themes from scratch. To do this, click on Create Theme. This opens a page where you can design a theme tailored to your preferences. You'll be able to adjust colors and choose different elements, giving you full control over the visual aspects of your coding space. This is a great way to make your workspace uniquely yours, accommodating exactly the look and feel you need to be at your most productive. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you can transform the entire look of your Replit environment, making it a reflection of your personal style or project needs. Experiment with the options available and find what works best for you. Don't hesitate to revert back to previous settings or try new ones as your preferences evolve. Enjoy customizing your Replit experience.